One of my favorite techniques throughout the year, but especially the summertime, is the use of a crawler harness. But one thing I like to do with my crawler harnesses is I like to tie them myself because I can pick my own components, you know, all the way down to a fluorocarbon line, but most importantly are the hooks that are on my crawler harness. And the first hook I always start all with is an Octopus Hook, generally a number 1 or a number 2. It's the Fusion 19 Octopus Hook. I generally like the red anodized, but one thing I like about the Fusion 19 lineup is they don't anodize the tip of the hook, which keeps it razor sharp without being covered up with that anodize. And it's very important with crawler harnesses because you're moving slow, you know, 0.9 to a mile and a half an hour. So generally the boat isn't setting the hook or burying those hooks into that fish's mouth. So you want a very sticky hook that is going to stick to anything it comes in contact with. Now, anytime I'm not anywhere near the bottom or any vegetation, I almost always run a treble hook behind that Octopus Hook. And to me, a number 8 or even up to a number 6 if the fish are a little bit bigger are what I generally go with. Now, this is a Fusion 19 round bend, the 1X size. But a treble hook is probably what does the most damage when it comes to putting those light biting fish in the boat. And what you want is an absolutely sticky hook that is going to grab onto anything it's going to come in contact with. Like I said, these fish generally a lot of times will swim with it, and they might be behind your planer board for 10 seconds before you even know what's on there. So you really want something that's going to grab a hold of anything it comes in contact with. And these Fusion 19 line of hooks have really shown me the difference between putting a few fish in the boat or catching a lot of those fish that you may have missed.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.